How to use Cash App. So let's get started. Cash App works like other payment platforms in that you download an app, add a funding source, and then you can begin using it for cash transaction. So here is a step-by-step explanation of how to use it. Download the app. Cash App is available for both iPhone and Android. Set up a Cash App account. Follow the prompts to enter your contact information. You can also choose your cash tag, the app's fancy moniker for username. Then link Cash App to your bank account. Just enter your debit card information. Add cash to your Cash App. Once your bank is linked, you can set up a transfer if you want to put funds into your Cash App. There are other ways to add cash to your Cash App account if you prefer not to link your bank. Instead, you can deposit paychecks or tax returns, or you can visit a participating retailer to deposit actual cash into your Cash App. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.